Hello and welcome guys. In this video session, we are going to see how to implement modal pop-up inside our Blazor application. This video is a part of Blazor series started from the fundamental. If you are interested in Blazor and other Microsoft programming languages, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. Let's get started. So for today's video, we are going to use blazor.modal NuGet package. I've already created an application here, Blazor WebAssembly application. Okay, so once I click on this modal open modal button, so it will open one of the page. So here counter page is that and the page data. So this ledger component we are going to open through our modal pop-up. Okay, let's go to Visual Studio. Stop the application from running. Copy this NuGet package. This is blazor.modal. Okay, right click on the project, manage NuGet packages. In browse section, search the blazor.modal. This one, the first one, click on install. Once it got installed, we need to do some modification with our existing pages, just like index.html. In case of Blazor WebAssembly, there is an error coming. No error. Okay, there is no error. Save the application and close it. Okay, next we need to go to our index.html, www index.html. In case of Blazor server app, this video I am showing inside Blazor WebAssembly application. So this is index.html. But in case of Blazor server app, you need to go to our pages and underscore host.cshtml. So here you need to add one JavaScript and one CSS link, that is our underscore content dot blazor modal dot blazor modal dot css and dot js file. Okay, next we need to configure our service with the program.cs file. In case of Blazor WebAssembly, we are going with program.cs. In case of Blazor web server, we will go with startup.cs. So here I am adding this builder.service.add Blazor modal. So this thing required one using statement, using Blazor. Okay, I think we need to add this one. Yes, using blazor.modal, and we can register our service. Next part, we need to go to our import underscore import.razor, and we need to here also add three using statement, that are those are is using Blazor, blazor.modal and blazor.modal.service. Okay, next go to the main layout, that is our in the shared folder. It's a main layout.razor. Here you need to add one cascading style sheet. So cascading Blazor modal. Okay, no need for this end statement. If we can complete with slash. Done. Our configuration is done. First we install the blazor.modal inside our application. Next we will keep this css and js reference. In the program.cs we are adding the service. In the import.razor we are adding three using statement, that is Blazor, modal and service. And in the main layout we are adding cascading Blazor modal. Next go to our index page where this button is there. In this button we are going to call our, you can see in the counter page and page data page. Okay, for that we need to inject one service, that is inject iModal service, and I'm giving the service name as modal. We need to call in the on click method of this button, like here I'm going to the delegate event to show the counter page, right? So we can call with a code part also to make it minimize. I am doing directly here only. Save the application and run. Working with Blazor, it's too easy. Guys, I have 10 years of experience in ASP.NET, complete ASP.NET, and I fell in love with Blazor. While running the application, guys, you can subscribe to my channel, you can share this video with your friends. So we have upon modal, click here. So you can see modal example, this modal example coming the text we gave here, and this is the counter page. Counter page is this one. I will show you this counter page I am showing with this upon modal, right? So how I can change the width of this box? Let's go, let's run this fetch data, because we have a long data here, some tabular format here with this upon modal. So here I am just calling the fetch data Razor component and run the application. Guys, to create a meaningful video, it requires a tons of effort. If you really like my video, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Okay, our Blazor application got run. Click on upon modal. So you can see our modal box automatically changing for the size. So if we want a customized size, we can give that one straightforward, just like a basic HTML guy. I'm going to inspect this, and so you can see this is Blazor modal. Okay, this is the class. I'm going to copy this class. It's a tricky one. Straightforward, I'm adding here a style sheet type equal to CSS. This is the C class. I'm giving 700 pixel. Rerun the application. This is a tricky one. We can add our own CSS with existing model. So you can see little bit got width got changed. So in this way also we can add CSS. So guys, I hope you like my video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.